1/2 ounce. Pour it into the Starlight. We made it up. Everything inside is attached, so you tip it upside down and it stays in place, so everything is cool. Got 2 cups of water in there. Place it on the stove. And we're going to cover it up with our windscreen. Snap it in place. Cover on our water bottle, and we're going to let it heat up. I did a test last night, and I found out that the windscreen expands and becomes really tight on the base, and so when I pick it up to check to see if the flames were out, I wasn't able to let me check on this to make sure I got that in the right place. Hang on. No. The relight. They have a place marked here on the base with a line. That line has to correspond with the mark right here, so that the holes line up. See if I can show you that. See those holes there? If I turn the support, if I turn the windscreen, I can make it simmer. Right now it's heating well, I can feel it. So those holes have to be lined up, and that mark right there lines up with that Sigg emblem for a complete line of the holes. So that's how I go about lighting it. I have to take it apart. It's expanding. I can't get it out of there. Well, so much for that. Now I have to wait for it to cool off, so I can put my bottle in there, my bottle of water. That's what I want to show you, how I go about lighting it. So I'm going to end my video now, and I'll be back later. Alright, it cooled off and I was able to get the windscreen off. Start it up again. Put my water on it. Let me get that lined up. My line on there. Water on. Line up the markers. Snap it shut. See, once I snap it shut, then I'm okay to move it around with a gloved hand. I found out that it really gets pretty hot yesterday. Then after I heat that water, I'm gonna pour it into my bag of chicken and rice, Mountain House. And I'm going to use this aluminized container bag, Ziploc bag. So I'm going to let that water heat up, and I'll be back later to show how I just have to pour it into the freezer bag. Now what I've done is taken it outside and put it on my experimental table. You see where I experimented with a wood burning stove at one time, and I did a little damage to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this water heat up out here, pour it into my freezer bag, and then I'll be back once the water heats up. We had rain overnight. That's my yard. That's my personal water heater. Alright, I'm gonna pour my water into the using a glove, pick it up. Got stirred. Mountain House chicken and rice. 2 cups of dry product. They're reconstituted and have it for breakfast. It only takes 5 minutes for it to rehydrate. And after 5 minutes sitting in that aluminized bag, 5 minutes, that's all it takes to do its thing. I can tell this morning by the smell coming off of the heater that I have to increase the amount of exiting air because of the smell. Talk to you later. Now the way this bag is gusseted makes it easy for the spoon to get in there and get into the curves rather than corners. It tastes good. Thanks for watching. I washed that bag out. I'm going to dry it out with a paper towel. I don't see why you can't reuse these bags as a bowl. What do you think? Recycle. Use it as a bowl. Why not? Nice it looks like. Go a little bit with collapsing bowl.